What happened in the parliament was really unprecedented. The Rajya Sabha chairperson, the Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, broke down while he was giving his closing remarks over the commotion, the ruckus that he has witnessed in the past few weeks. He even went on to say he has been having sleepless nights over the decorum of the parliament that has been broken. Take a look at the story. Venkaiah Naidu breaking down on the floor of the House.
I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts, as I spent a sleepless night.
Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu has had enough. Warning after warning after warning has been ignored.
Please obey the chair and go back. If the House is not allowed to function today, also a message will go that this House also is not concerned for the plight of the farmers, who are the bread givers for our people. A message will go. So House must be allowed to function and we can discuss about farmers issue. Yes, farmers issue. Farmers issue. I have already admitted farmers issue, price rise, flood issue and other issues. If this is the way, no, please sit down, please sit down. Let us not spoil the atmosphere. Keeping that in mind, I am adjourning the House. Parliament is much more than a political institution, given its constitutional mandate. But there seems to be a scant respect for the constitutional sanctity of Parliament. Very, very unfortunate. As the chairman of this august House, I am deeply distressed by the course of events in the House.
And the breaking point for the Rajya Sabha chair was this moment. Congress MP Pratap Singh Bajwa resorting to an unparliamentary protest, standing on a table and throwing papers at the chair. As the opposition gunned him on, Bajwa climbed up on the table in what's considered the most sacrosanct area of the upper house.
I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts, as I spent a sleepless night. Last night, I struggled to find out the provocation or reason for forcing this august House to hit such a low yesterday.
Naidu has time and again warned the opposition and tried hard to act as mediator between the government and opposition, but to no avail.
Chair and go back.
The opposition has resorted to all sorts of tactics to ensure their demands are met, and that has in many circumstances meant completely unparliamentary behavior in the House. Bureau Report, India Today.
So if the OBC bill was passed by the parliament after a discussion in the Lok Sabha, what then led to the commotion? It is the Pegasus Spygate controversy that still is now heating up on the floor of the House. And that commotion even continued on Tuesday. Take a look of how Pegasus spyware controversy still has opposition all guns blazing against the BJP at the centre.
Hooliganism, sloganeering, pandemonium, hurling the rule book at the chairperson, shouting from the top of a table. Don't look away, viewers. This is our temple of democracy. These are the politicians we have trusted our lives with. And the man on the table is Congress MP Pratap Singh Bajwa. They demand a discussion on Snoopgate and repeal of 3 farm laws.
ये सरकार अंधी हो चुकी है और मैं किसान भाइयों को इस बात की विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं, आप अपनी जंग बाहर जारी रखो, हम अपनी जंग सारी ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज और विशेष तौर इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस आपकी जंग पार्लियामेंट के फ्लोर पर लड़ेंगे.
The BJP is calling the ruckus an insult to democracy.
जैसे ही बहस प्रारंभ हुई है और तो मांग करते हैं कि कृषि कानूनों पर चर्चा हो और जब चर्चा होने लगी तो टेबल पर चढ़कर फाइल फेंकने लगे। ये बहुत ही दुखद है और बहुत ही अपमानजनक है, और ये केवल संसद का अपमान नहीं, इस देश की जनता का अपमान है।
It's been 21 days since the monsoon session of Parliament started. The opposition has accused the centre of blocking debates on farm laws and Pegasus hacking.
इसलिए हम लोगों ने विरोध किया कि चर्चा बार बार कराने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। चर्चा कराइए बिल की वापसी के ऊपर। ये तीनों काला कानून वापस कैसे होगा, चर्चा इस बात की होनी चाहिए।
The BJP claims they are ready to have a discussion but blames the opposition for the lack of debate.
जितना इनका बजट था उससे ज्यादा तो किसानों के खाते में मोदी जी की सरकार डाल चुकी है। ये किसान विरोधी हैं और पिछले 2 दशक में जितने भी आयोग बने सबकी रिकमेंडेशंस के आधार पर ये बिल बनाए गए हैं। कृषि सुधार
संसद सड़क पर बैठे हमारे किसानों की पीड़ा नहीं समझ रही है ना, यानी कि संसद की गरिमा का सत्ता प्रतिष्ठान को ख्याल नहीं है।
Now consider this. Each minute of running Parliament costs 2,50,000 rupees. Every wasted hour is 1,50 lakh rupees down the drain. While no one questions the opposition's right to ask questions, the methods employed by the opposition are certainly questionable. Bureau Report, India Today.
So you decide if this disruption, this commotion by the opposition is a valid demand of agitation, of a debate, or is this wastage of taxpayers' money? You as the taxpayer remember crores of rupees going down the drain. That's all for the political news for this bulletin, but don't go anywhere.